Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about JEE mains questions, previous JEE mains questions. The first one, the orthocenter is the A minus 3 comma 5, centroid is the 3 comma 3, C is the circumcenter of the triangle, then the radius of the circle having the line AC as the diameter. So here just we can observe it is the very easiest one. So JEE mains 2018. So how to solve this one? Here the orthocenter A is the minus 3 comma 5. Centroid G is the 3 comma 3. Now the circumcenter we have to take x comma y. Circumcenter we have to take x comma y. Now we have to know that the centroid Z divides the line segment joining orthocenter and the circumcenter in the ratio 2:1. Therefore the G equal to 2 into x 2x. Okay, 2 into x, the centroid is the 3 comma 3. That is 2 into x 2x plus 1 minus 3 upon 2 plus 1. After that 2 into y is the 2y. Next 1 into 5 is the 5 upon 2 plus 1 equal to 3 comma 3. Okay. Now this is, you can write 2x minus 3 equal to 9, 2x equal to 12, the x equal to 6. Okay. After that you can write this is 2y plus 5 equal to 9, 2y equal to 4, the value of y equal to 2. Now this is the value of x. This is the value of x and y. When you got x and y, okay, the circumcenter x comma y, the circumcenter S is the x comma y is the 6 comma 2. Then it will be the 6 comma 2 is the circumcenter. Now here the circumcenter is denoted by C. Yes, it is denoted by C. We got the C is this one. Therefore we are taking the A is the minus 3 comma 5. Now we can write the AC as the diameter. 6 plus 3, 9 square is the 81. 5 minus 2 is the 3. 3 square is the 9. Now this is AC as the diameter. AC as the diameter. Diameter means R plus R is the 2R. Then it will be the under root of 90. Therefore when you can find the radius, R equal to 3 root to 10, 3 into root 10 upon 2. Now this can be written as 3 into under root of 10 by 4. Now 3 into root of 5 by 2 is the given answer. Okay, 2 5s are 2 2s are. This is the radius. Okay, AC as the diameter. Diameter means 2R. Okay, is it clear? A straight line through the fixed point 2 comma 3 intersect the coordinate axis P and Q if O is the origin and the rectangle OPRQ is completed, then the locus of the R. Okay, this is the this is also 2018. So this is the online this is the another slot. So this is also 2018. How to complete this one? A straight line through the fixed point. All of you listen here. A straight line, suppose here this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. A straight line is passing through the 2 comma 3, meets the x-axis at P and Q. So this is the origin. Therefore, we are taking here on the x-axis y0, a comma 0. On the y-axis x is 0, 0 comma b. But the rectangle OPRQ, the rectangle OPRQ is completed. The rectangle OPRQ, the rectangle OPRQ is completed. OPRQ is completed. Okay. Then the locus of the R, we have to taking the locus of the R is the x comma y. So the locus we are taking x1 y1. Therefore the locus of the R is the x comma y. Therefore we have to know that here the diagonals are bisect each other. That means the midpoint of OR equal to midpoint of QR. First we can write the midpoint of the OR. The midpoint of the OR equals to the midpoint of the PQ. The midpoint of the PQ. Is it clear? The midpoint of the OR equal to midpoint of the PQ. Midpoint of the OR is the x by 2 comma y by 2. Midpoint of the PQ is, that is nothing but a by 2 comma b by 2. That implies we got x equal to a and y equal to b. X equal to a and y equal to b. Therefore, now we have to know that the equation of the PQ, is it clear? The equation of the PQ is x by a intersect form. The intersect form of the line, the equation of the line is, here the equation of the line PQ is, the equation of the line PQ, all of you listen here, the equation of the PQ is in the intersect form, that is x by a, y by b equal to 1, which is passing through the point, passes through the point 2 comma 3. That means x is the 2 by a, y is the 3 by b equal to 1. That is 2 by a plus 3 by b equal to 1. Therefore, this is the 3a, this is the 2b equals to ab. What is the a is x, what is b is y. That is a 3x plus 2y equal to xy. This is our required equation. Is it clear? So first we have to take the midpoint of PQ equal to midpoint of the PQ equal to midpoint of the OR. We have to take the midpoints of the diagonals. After then we got x equal to a and y equal to b. Therefore then you can write the equation of the PQ. The equation of the PQ is the x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Therefore this is passes through the point 2 comma 3, that is 2 by a plus 3 by b equal to 1. After that 3 into a 3a, 2 into b 2b equal to ab, where a is x, b is y. This is the locus of the R, is the required locus of R. Now this is the another JEE mains question. Let k be an integer, March, that means sorry, JEE mains 2017. Let k be an integer such that the triangle with the vertices k minus 3k and 5k and minus k2 minus k comma 2 as area 28 units, square units. Then the orthocenter of this triangle, orthocenter of this triangle. Okay. So how to find the orthocenter of this triangle? So all of you listen here. We have to find the orthocenter of the triangle. So today here the k minus 3k and 5k and minus k2. So here is given that the area of the triangle whose vertices are these 3 points. So now we can write, how to write the k comma minus 3k and 5 comma k and minus k comma 2. These are the point we are taking ABC. ABC are the 3 points of the triangle. Area of the triangle ABC. Area of the triangle ABC is given that 28. We have to know that half modulus of x1 minus x2, x2 minus x3, y1 minus y2, y2 minus y3 equal to 28. x1 minus x2, that is we can write k minus 5. This is 5 plus k. This is minus 3k minus k minus of 4k. This is the, you can write k minus 2 modulus of equal to 56. Into 2 by 2 is sending other side into 2. Now this is AD minus BC. AD is the k square minus 7k plus 10. K minus 5 into k minus 2, k square minus 7k plus 10. AD minus BC, that of the 2 by 2, we know that minus BC minus of minus plus. 4 into 5 is the 20k plus 4k square equal to 56. Therefore, now this is the 5k square. Now we can write this is the 5k square. 4k square plus k square is the 5k square plus 13k here. Now this is the minus of 46 equal to 0. Now the factorization. How to find the factorization here? Now this is the 5 into 46. Now we are taking the 223, the 5 2s are 10. Now this is a minus 10k plus 23k. 23 minus 10 is the 30. Minus of 46 equal to 0. Therefore here we are taking the 5k is the common, k minus 2. 23 is the common, k minus 2. Therefore k minus 2, 5k plus 23 equal to 0. Here k is an integer. K is an integer, therefore we are taking the k equal to 2. Now these k are substitute in the given points. Therefore a is the, what is the a? A is the, k is the 2, therefore minus 6. B is the 5 comma 2. C is the minus 2 comma 2. Now we have to find the orthocenter. How to find the orthocenter? So suppose here we are taking here the orthocenter B. Now we are taking the point. This is the triangle. A is the 2 comma minus 6. B is the point 5 comma 2. C is the point minus 2 comma 2. Therefore, how to write this? Now we have to find the orthocenter is, first we have to find the altitude through the C. Now first we have to find the slope of AB, that is 8, 2 minus of minus plus 6. This is the 5 minus 2 is the 3. This is the slope of AB. Now we can write the equation of the altitude. Altitude means it is passing through the vertex and perpendicular to the opposite side. Now the altitude through the C. Equation of the altitude passes through the C. Okay, that is y minus y1. Minus 1 by m is the minus of 3 by 8. This is a perpendicular to the AB. That means we have to take minus of 3 by 8 x plus 2. How to write this is 8y minus 16 minus 3x minus 6. Now this is the 3x plus 8y minus 10 equal to 0. This is the altitude. altitude through the C. Another altitude you have to find through the A. Then point of intersection is the orthocenter or the option verification. So here is there the option is the here 2 comma 1 by 2. If you are taking the 2 comma 1 by 2, we can take the orthocenter is the 2 comma 1 by 2. That should be 3 into 2 6. 3 into 2 is the 3 2 is 6. Next one is 8 into 1 by 2 is the 4. Is there minus 10. Now we can write the 6 plus 4. 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. Is it clear? First 3 into 2 is the 6. 8 into 1 by 2 is the 4. 6 plus 4 is the 10. This is the 10. 10 minus 10 will be the 0. Then you can write the orthocenter be the 2 comma 1 by 2. Another thing is we have to find the another altitude through the A. Then the point of intersection is nothing but orthocenter. Is it clear? First the points are in terms of K, but area is given that 28 square unit. We have to know area of this form. Then we are getting the K value. K is substitute in these 3 points. Is it the yes or no? When we have to know that 3 points, how to find the orthocenter? It is the point of intersection of the altitudes. First we have to find the altitude through the C. That means we have to first find the slope of AB. Then the perpendicular slope of B is the minus 3 by 2. The altitude passing through the C. Y minus y1 minus 1 by m into x minus x1. Then we got this one. So by the option verification, H is substitute in this. Then it will be the 10 minus 10 we got 0. The another method is first we have to find the altitude through the C and another altitude through the A. The point of intersection is the orthocenter. Point of intersection of the altitudes is the orthocenter. And one more thing is yesterday exam, that means in Sunday, the advanced point of view small mistake is there. Here that one is, suppose here the point is A is there. A is a point minus 4 comma 0. But the printing mistake is there minus 4 comma minus 1. That is wrong. So here the symmetric about the y-axis, that means reflection about the y-axis. Undoubtedly that point is the 4 comma 0. Another point is C given that is the minus 1 comma 4. The image with respect to the y-axis is the 1 comma 4. Then you have to find this is the A, B, C, D. This is the B. This is the C. A, B, C, D. We have to know that the A, B, C, D area is half modulus of x1 minus half modulus of x1 minus x3, x2 minus x4, and y1 minus y3, y2 minus y4. This is the area half modulus of x1 minus x3, x2 minus x4. Another one y1 minus y3, y2 minus y4. This is the area. Okay. And another one is also that is the lambda 1 by lambda by 5 lambda, the distance between the centroid and the incenter. Centroid we have to know that x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So the incenter we have to know that ax1 plus bx2 plus cx3 by a plus b plus c comma ay1 plus by2 plus cy3 by a plus b plus c, where a, b, c are the x1, y1 and x2, y2 and x3, y3. Small a is the length of the side bc, small b is the length of the side ac, small c is the length of the side ab. Okay. Then we got the 1 by 5 lambda, but now that is not a 5 by lambda. Okay. Is it clear? Now the 25 by 5 is the 5. Okay. Right. Two sides of a rhombus. Two sides of a rhombus are x minus y plus 1 equal to 0, and the another line is 7x minus y minus 5 equal to 0. Is it clear? If the diagonals are intersect at, if the diagonals if the diagonals are intersect at the point -1 comma -2, then one of its vertex the vertex. How to find here? So we have to know that the two sides of the rhombus, undoubtedly the two sides are here. All of you, 1 minute. This one and this one and this one are parallel, and this one and this one are the parallel. This is the A, B, C, D. Is it clear? AD is parallel to BC, AB is parallel to CD, but the given lines are not parallel lines. That's why the equation of AB is the line x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. Another line is the 7x minus y minus 5 equal to 0. 7x minus y plus 5 equal to 0. Therefore, the diagonals are intersect at the point is given that -1 comma -2. The diagonals also, we know that perpendicular to each other. Diagonals are intersect each other and they are perpendicular. Therefore, here the first we have to find the vertex B. How to find the vertex B? The 7x minus y minus 5 equal to 0 and x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. After subtraction, this is the 6x, this is the minus 6 equal to 0, x equal to 1. Suppose we are substituting x equal to 1, that is y equal to 2. This is the point of intersection 1 comma 2. Now this is the intersection. We are taking some A, B, C, D, E. Now that is B. The slope of BP. What is the slope of BP is there? Slope of BP. We can write slope of BP is the y2 minus y1 4. x2 minus x1 2. Now the slope of AC is the minus of 1 by 2. These two are BP is a perpendicular to AC. The slope of BP is the 2. The slope of AC is the minus 1 by 2. Therefore, the equation of the AC y minus y1 y plus 2. Y minus y1 is the y plus 2. That is the minus 1 by 2 into x plus 1. Now this will be 2y plus 4 equal to minus x minus 1. These are sending to the other side. We have got the sending to the other side. Then it will be the 2y plus 4 is the minus x minus 1. That will be x plus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. This is the equation of the AC. Now the point of intersection of AB and AC, where the equation of the AB is given by x minus y plus 1 equal to 0 is the equation of the AB. Now the simplification here. Now how to find this is minus of minus cancel. This is the 3y, 5 minus 4 is the plus. Now we can write the y equals to minus of 4 by 3. This is substituting this minus 4 by 3 plus 1 equal to y. Y is the minus of y equal to minus of 1 by 3. Now here we got minus of 1 by 3 comma minus of 4 by 3. This is the point A. Up to find the C, we are taking this one. The 7x minus y minus 5 equal to 0. And the equation of right now we have to find the equation of this one. The x plus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. Then it is a multiple with the 2. Then it is 14x minus 2y minus 10 equal to 0. Now this is the 15x minus 5 equal to 0. The x will be the 5 by 15. Now the x will be the 1 by 3. The x will be 1 by 3. Okay. Is it clear? When you got the x equal to 1 by 3, that is substitute in this. The x equal to 1 by 3, we have to substitute here or this one. Therefore, the x equal to 1 by 3 plus 2y plus 5. How to write this is 2y equals to, we got the 2y equal to 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 1 16 minus 16 by 3. The value of y is the 2 1s are 2 2s are. Now the point C is the 1 by 3 comma minus of 8 by 3. 1 by 3 comma minus of 8 by 3. This is the point C. Now we know that B and A and C. How to find the D? D is the midpoint, BD, so here P is the midpoint of the BD, that's it. Okay, but he has option is given that only C. The C is the here 1 by 3 comma minus of 8 by 3. The options is there. The D option D is the 1 by 3 comma minus 8 by 3. How to find this one? First we have to find the slope of the BP. How to get B? This is the point of intersection of these two lines. Then slope of BP and perpendicular slope of BP is the slope of AC. Now the equation of AC, which is passing through the minus 1 2, having the slope minus 1 by 2, y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Then we got here, that is the x plus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. AC and AB intersect at A. BC and AC intersect at C. So that is our required vertices. Okay. The locus of the image of 2 comma 3 in the line, all of you listen here, in the line 2x minus 3y plus 4 plus lambda into x minus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. 2x minus 3y plus 4 plus lambda into x minus 2y plus 3. So now we have to find the locus of the image of 2 3 in the line. So here this is, we have to compare with L1. Here we are thinking here the L1 plus lambda L2 equal to 0. Is it clear? So this is the L1 plus lambda L2, L1 equal to 0. That is 2x minus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. And the L2 equal to 0 is the x minus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. Is it clear? This is the one of the previous question. So here the point of intersection is the minus 3, 4 and 2 minus 3. This is the minus 2, 3, 1 and the minus 2, cross multiplication method. How to write the x and y? We can write the x by minus 9 here. This is the minus 9. This is the plus 8. That is the minus 1. Now y is here 4 minus 6. Here this is the 4. This is the minus 6. That is the minus 2. Now we can write 1 by, this is the minus 4. This is plus 3. That is the minus 1. Therefore, the point of intersection is the 1 comma 2. Now we have to find the image. We have to find the image of 2 3. All of you listen here. The family of lines. Therefore here the family of lines are intersecting at 1 comma 2. The family of lines are intersecting the 1 comma 2. Suppose this is the 1 comma 2. All of you listen here. This is the 1 comma 2. Is it clear? Therefore, we have to take image of 2, 3, image of 2, 3 with respect to the family of lines, with respect to the family of lines. Therefore, now we can write with respect to the family of lines. So, is it clear? This is the 1, 2. Therefore, we have to find the image. What is the point is there? Image. Therefore, when we are taking the image, suppose we are taking the 2, 3. The image is here undoubtedly. Suppose here this is the image of h, k. 2, 3. When you are taking the here the family of lines here, all of you listen. Therefore, when we are taking the 1, 2, the image of 2, 3 is the h, k. The image of 2, 3 is the h, k. Is it clear or not? So, the image of 2, 3 is the h, k with respect to the family of lines. These are all the lines intersecting at the 2, 3. Now, here all of you listen. We have to know that when we are taking, it is a right angle triangle. What is this here? So this is must be a right angle triangle. The circumradius, this is one called the AB as a diameter. When it is a 90, then you can draw them. This is the all of you listen here. This is the undoubtedly, this is the diameter of the circle. Diameter of the circle. Therefore, when we are taking the diameter of the circle, we have to know that here, all of you listen. This is, we know that when we are taking the here x, y, undoubtedly these are perpendicular. This is the point of intersection P. This is the A, this is the B, this is the P, this is the C. Okay. Therefore, now AP is a perpendicular to, all of you listen, AP is a perpendicular to PC. AP is a perpendicular to PC. Therefore, now we can write when AP is a perpendicular to PC, undoubtedly we can write here, what do you write here? Product of the slopes equal to -1. M1 into M2 equal to -1. M1, that means y minus 3 by x minus 2. That is y minus 3 by x minus 2 into, this is the y minus 2 by x minus 1 equal to -1. Then you can write x minus 1 into x minus 2 plus y minus 2 into y minus 3. Is it clear or not? Yes. This is the sending to the other side. It will be minus x minus 2 into x minus 1. X minus 2 into x minus, completely sending to the other side. This is x minus, this term is the plus. X minus 1 into x minus 2. Y minus 2 into y minus 3. Therefore, here all of you listen. When it is the image, undoubtedly B is the image. What is the P is here? The P x comma y equal to, that means midpoint of AB. That can be written as h plus 2 by 2 comma k plus 3 by 2 is the x comma y. Is it clear? P is the midpoint of AB. Now these are substitute in this. What is the x is? H plus 2 by 2 minus 1. H plus 2 by 2 minus 2. The next one, k plus 3 by 2 minus 2. After that, k plus 3 by 2 minus 3 equal to 0. Now is here the LCM is the 2, h into 2 2s are 4, h minus 2. Now this is 2 2s are 4, we can write k minus 1. Here 2 3s are minus 6, this is the k minus 3. Now we can write this is, how to write this one, h square minus 2h, h square plus k into k, k square. This is the minus 2h, this is the minus of 4k plus 3 equal to 0. Then it is, how to write this is h minus 1 whole square and k minus 2 whole square equal to plus 3, sending other side minus 3. This is a plus 1 plus 4. Is it clear? How to write? H square is there, a square is h square minus 2ab minus 2h, k square is there, minus 2ab is the minus 4k, the plus 3 is sending other side minus 3, adding 1, b square 1 1 cancel, here b square is 4 4 4 cancel, adding 1 and 4 on both sides. The locus of the image is, x minus 1 whole square, y minus 2 whole square, 5 plus 5, this is the 5 minus 3, 2. This can be written as root 2 whole square. This is the equation of the circle in the center radius form. In the second year circles topic is there. In the circle topic, the first equation of the circle, very starting, very beginning, we have to take, this is the equation of the circle when you taking the center h comma k and radius r. Then it is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square, where the radius of the circle is the root 2. In the options is given that the locus of the image is a circle having the radius is the root 2. How to find here? First we have to find the point of intersection of the given lines, that will be the 1, 2. After that, image of 2, 3 with respect to the family of lines HK. This is the midpoint. Then we have to take here the AP is perpendicular to BP. Then you got this condition. After that, the midpoint h plus 2 by 2, k plus 3 by 2, those are equal to x and y. Those are substitute in this. The locus of HK, we got the equation of the circle having the radius is the root 2. Is it clear? This is the mixed concept. We have to know in the second year in the circles topic, the x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square is the equation of the circle. Today morning I discussed about the reflection on the reflection surface. Okay, incident ray, reflected ray, normal to the tangent. Okay, surface of the normal, incident angle and a reflection angle. So here a ray of the light, this is also the previous question, a ray of light along x plus root 3y equals to root 3, x plus root 3y equal to root 3 gets reflected. Okay, reflected upon reaching the x-axis, upon reaching the x-axis, then the equation of the reflected ray, reflected ray. Okay, a ray of light along the line x plus root 3y equal to root 3 gets reflected upon reaching the x-axis. The equation of the reflected ray. Suppose if you are taking the x-axis, this one, this is the incident ray. So suppose we are taking, this is the incident ray, suppose this is the incident ray reflected here. So here reach the first x-axis. On the x-axis, we have to know that y0. That means x plus 0 equal to root 3. Therefore, x equal to root 3. This is the root 3 comma 0. Now, the positive angle is here. What is the slope of the line? X plus root 3 y equal to root 3. M equals to minus 1 by root 3. Tan alpha tan theta equal to minus 1 by root 3. Tan theta equal to minus 1 by root 3. Now this is the reflected ray makes clockwise sense. That means we have to take minus of tan theta. This is we have to take minus of tan theta. Minus of tan theta is the, therefore the reflected ray minus m. The minus tan theta equals to 1 by root 3. Here slope is the 1 by root 3. Here minus of 1 by root 3. That is our observation. This is the anti-clockwise sense. This is the clockwise sense. Therefore, now here we can write the equation of the reflected ray. The equation of the reflected ray is the, here this is the IR. IR is the, we know that y minus y1 1 by root 3 into x minus x1. Now this is root 3 y equal to x minus of root 3. This is the required solution. This is also root 3 y equal to x minus root 3. So having the slope 1 by root 3 passing through the point root 3 comma 0. Therefore root 3 y equal to x minus root 3. Is it clear? A line through the minus 5 comma 4 meets the three lines B, C, D respectively. Then 15 by AB whole square plus 10 by AC whole square equal to 6 by AD whole square. Then the equation of the line. Okay. Here the point, for example, we are taking the point A is minus 5 comma minus 4. Now this is the equation of the line. This is our required line. So suppose this line makes an angle, all of you listen, that makes an angle with the x-axis theta. In the positive direction of they are passing through the minus 5 comma minus 4. Meets the lines. One of the line at A, another line at B, third line at, this is the B, this is the C, this is the D. The given three lines are x plus 3y plus 2 meets at B, this line at C, this line at D. Then we have to find, the other condition is given that 15 by AB whole square. So all of you listen here. When we are taking the AB is the R1, how to find the B? X1 plus minus 5 plus, here AB we are taking the R. AB cos theta, comma, minus 4 plus AB sin theta. The B point substitute in here, in this here. How to write this one? This is the minus 5 plus AB cos theta, that is the x, plus 3 into minus 4 plus AB sin theta plus 2 equal to 0. Now is it clear? We can write here the AB cos theta is there, here AB sin theta is there. Now we are taking the common is the AB. When we are taking the common AB, that is cos theta plus 3 sin theta. What is there here? Minus 5. This is the minus 12. Is it clear? This is the minus 12 and minus 5. Minus 12 and minus 5. Minus 5 and minus 12. This is the minus 17 plus 2 is there. Minus 15 is sending other side plus 15. Therefore, we got here cos theta plus 3 sin theta equal to 15 by AB. This 15 by AB. Okay. This is the 15 by AB. How to write this one? Cos theta plus 3 sin theta. We got 15 by AB. Similarly, we can find the C point. That is, we have to take the AC distance. Similarly, we can find 2 cos theta. Therefore, now we can write 2 into cos theta, 2 cos theta plus sin theta equal to 10 by AC. That is the 10 by AC. Now here this is cos theta minus sin theta. We got cos theta minus sin theta is the 6 by AD. 6 by AD. We have to substitute when the distance first we taking AB, after then AC, after then AD. The C and D points are substitute in this. Now we are given that 15 by AB whole square. What is the condition is given that 15 by AB whole square. We can write 15 by AB whole square plus 10 by AC whole square. 10 by AC whole square is given that 6 by AD whole square. Now 15 by AB whole square is the, we can write cos theta plus 3 sin theta whole square. Now this is 2 cos theta. All of you listen. 2 cos theta plus sin theta whole square. This is the cos theta minus sin theta whole square. Now here this is cos square theta cancel. This is the 4 cos square theta. Now here this is sin square theta cancel. Now this is the 9 sin square theta equal to 0. Now here this is the 6 sin theta cos theta. This is the 4, 6 plus 4 plus 2. This is the 12 sin theta cos theta. Is it clear? A square is cos square cancel. In this B square sin square cancel. Minus 2, this is the 4, this is the 6. 6 plus 4 plus 2, 12. Sin square theta is the 9 sin square theta is there. Now this can be written as 2 cos theta plus 3 sin theta whole square equal to 0. Is it clear? A square is there, B square is there here. 2AB, 6 2 ja, 3 2 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12. Now what is the value of tan theta? The square is sending other side. Then it will be the 3 sin theta plus 2 cos theta equal to 0. After that we can write this is tan theta equals to minus 2 by 3. The plus 2 cos theta sending other side minus 2 cos theta. Therefore into 3 sending other side minus of 2 by 3. Now tan theta is nothing but m. The equation of the line to the A having the slope m is y minus y1, that is y plus 4 equal to minus of 2 by 3 into x minus x1 is the x plus 5. Now this is the 3y. This is the 3 into y, 3y plus 8. 3y plus 8. This is the minus of 2x. Is it clear? Minus of 2x minus 10. Now this is sending to the other side. It will become 2x plus 3y. 2x plus 3y plus 18 equal to 0. 2x plus 3y. 2x plus 3y plus 18 equal to 0. 2x plus 3y is there 22. Yes, this is the 4 3s are is the 12. Now this is the 22. Yes, is it clear? 4 3s are 12. Therefore this is the 22. How to find this one? All of you once again listen. This is the point here. We have to apply the parametric form. x1 plus r is the AB cos theta, y1 plus AB sin theta. Then the B point is substitute in the first line. Then you can how to find the C. C is the x1 minus 5 AC cos theta, comma minus 4 AC sin theta, that is substitute in the second line. How to find the D? x1 plus AD cos theta, y1 plus AD sin theta. This is the substitute in the third line. We have to get 15 by AB this one, and 10 by AC this one, 6 by AD this one. So is given that the condition 15 by AB whole square, 10 by AC whole square, 6 by AD whole square is given that. In this case we have to got the tan theta is the minus of 2 by 3. That's meaning is the slope of the tangent. Because theta is, we have to take in the inclination. The line makes an angle theta with the positive direction of the x-axis. Theta is nothing but inclination. M is called the tan theta. Therefore, tan theta is the minus of 2 by 3. When you know that the m value and the point, we have to take the equation of the line by applying the slope point form. Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Y plus 4 equal to minus of 2 by 3 into x plus 5. After the simplification, we got the equation of the line is 2x plus 3y plus 22 equal to 0. Okay, this is today. Okay, all of you please watch the videos many times and concentrate them. Okay, please work. Thank you all.